you all. I would like to welcome an inspiring personality, Mr. S. Hiryana, BEM, BE, MBA, and ex-scientist ISRO Satellite Center who had battled against all the odds and reached the pinnacle of success. He is highly passionate about uplifting awareness drives and infused hope among people. Undoubtedly, he is a living proof and exemplar of humanity. His selfless service to the nation, building as a scientist, service to the nation is not worthy. We were very fortunate to have him with us this evening as a chief guest.
Now it is lighting of the lamp. Light is worshipped as a Lord Himself. Knowledge removes the ignorance, just as light removes darkness. Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity to keep the evening a blessed one, involving the Lord kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom.
ॐ विश्वानि देव सवितर्दुरितानि परासुभ यद्भद्रं तन्न आसुभ हिरण्यगर्भः समवर्तताग्रभूतस्य जातः पतिरेक आसीत् सदाधार पृथिवीं द्यामुते मां कस्मै देवाय हविषा विधेम अग्ने नय सुपथा राये अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान् योऽध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो भूयिष्ठां ते नम उक्तिं विधेम. Let this Prakriti, the nature, be helpful for carrying this program without any destruction. Thank you.
Now we have annual report by our Honorable Principal, Mrs. Nilima.
The purpose of education is to make a good human beings with good skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. By Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Good evening to everyone. I, Nilima Manapuram, the principal of RMN branch, graciously welcome each one of you to this most awaited occasion of Narayana E-Techno School IKEA 8 Annual Day celebrations. Today, the Narayana Group stands tall and proud for setting path-breaking benchmarks in the academic excellence. 4 decades of experience in fulfilling the aspirations of India's students has given us conviction and confidence, aim higher and bigger always. Our students are known all over the world for making greater strides in intranational and international competitive examinations and clinching success with top-notch results. The Narayana family is committed to bring out the best in every student by imparting a strong educational foundation. Given the dynamic and global nature of education in the 21st century, we are constantly working hard and reinventing ourselves with the ultimate goal of creating exceptional and enriching student experiences. Narayana RMN branch today accomplishes 8 successful academic years. The commencement of the branch in the year 2011 with a strength of 700 grown today to the tune of 1200 spread over. Narayana School highlights curriculum on par with international standards, students with friendly activity-oriented approach, continuous and comprehensive evaluation, abacus to develop mental arithmetic challenges of capabilities of child, projects to inculcate scientific temper and competitive spirit, e-learning modules for interactive demonstrations, grooming talents through eChamps International Magazine, Top Narayana Target Olympiad program for 4th and 5th standard students designed to focus mainly for preparing the students for state and national level competitive examinations. We have conducted an inter-school sports day and bagged few positions. The kindergarten e-kits and the primary e-champs. The e-kits and e-champs academic programs blended with events and celebrations has been perfect mix of various activities and competitions organized for e-kits and e-champs. To name a few, Rhymes Conquer, Blooms, club activities, Nutri-Dill, Slice of Munch, of e-kits and e-champs and the concept of multicultural fest, Master Chef stand exemplary to count on a little children competences which were educative and spellbound. Most of the activities have been configured and improved children in the cognitive, psychomotor and gross motor skills. Academic program. As per the guidelines given by the CBSE, in the introduction of the reforms in the present education system, we, the Narayana Group, took an initiative which took on the holistic development of a child in evaluating students in scholastic and co-scholastic skill sets. 4 pillars of our group: common schedule, common teaching, common examination, and common analysis, and CDF, concept, definition, and formulae, error list, 2D and 3D labs, and online examinations like IMO, UCO, and NSO, and NTSC. We clearly and firmly believe that every individual kid is precious and special. With all you parents' collaboration, we promise you we will bring the best out of every child. Education is a long-term achievements plan. We want you to be with us hand in hand for real growth in child, not just in the form of numbers achieved in the exam. At the outset, I extend my sincere thanks to the management of Narayana Group for giving me this opportunity as a principal of Narayana E-Techno School to serve you all, and I am grateful to you all for accepting me in the same position. I should not forget the efforts put by our teachers in helping the child to solve various tasks assigned to them effortlessly. I once again thank all my dear parents for your unconditional support and love shown for the school over years, and I promise you all I will give 100% best in future. Thank you.
My name is Sishla Venkata Surya Sita Ramanjaneya Venugopala Krishna Prasad.
Once James Bond was traveling and incidentally our Venugopal was beside him. So James Bond, he asked, what's your name? He told Bond, James Bond. What's your name? He asked James Bond by mistake. That's all. Sarva Siddhi, what is that? You would repeat, sir. How many words it came? James Bond fainted. So,
gata kita tadi mita kita tadi midirana. Sapama gata kita tadi mita kita tadi midirana. Sa rigata bari rigare ni sa rigata bari. Sapama gama 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 gapaga gari sanisa. Gari sanisa. Donde está mi ante? Say yeah yeah yeah. Kita tadi midirana. Carissa, carissa, carissa. Carigasa, sa carigasa, sa carigasa. C'est comme ça, ma chérie, la 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 la. Carissa, 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 li va badisa.
Wow, what an eye-catching performance.
After all the professionalism, we are entering into the entertainment sector now. So Elsa, have you ever visited Dubai?
Yes, I have. And the best thing I've seen there was the Arabic dance.
Could you give me a brief about the dance?
Arabic dance is a dance created by Arabs. It is an amalgam of dance of Arabs of the Arabian Peninsula and the dance of the people that make up the Arab world today. I wish I get a chance to see it again.
So let's make your wish come true. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for we have our 6 boys to perform an Arabic dance. And who made you remember Arab?
Dasta qo'limda qolib ketdi sevgi meni qoraylab qayg'uga solib ketdi olib keldi qayg'ug'am dilda alam ko'zda nam begonaga bo'lding yor sevgilim qo'shib qalam ey nozonin zeboyo omadlarim barnoyo qilding meni xorozor baxtli bu jonim soqin yorni kutganda afsusdan qon yutganda men dunyodan o'tganda eslab qo'y jonim otganda xiyonatdan qon yig'lab ko'zingda yosh qotganda ey nozonin zeboyo omadlarim barnoyo qilding meni xorozor baxtli bu jonim soqin yorni kutganda afsusdan qon yutganda men dunyodan o'tganda eslab qo'y jonim boya Komatlarım paranoya Kıldın yine parozar Bakle boşarım Sakın yolunu kütkende Afsustan kan yütkende Men dünyadan ötkende
Jorada chappale yondige innome
Ey nazanım seboya Komatlarım paranoya Kıldın yine parozar Bakle boşarım Sakın yolunu kütkende Afsustan kan yütkende Men dünyadan ötkende Eslap koycanım
Wow, that was a mind-blowing performance.
Indeed, it was. Kathak dancers tell various stories through their head movements and extensive footwear. So let's experience the same from our 9th grade girls.
मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरी चाहते तो फिजा में बहेगी जिंदा रहेगी होके फना मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोलना साथी रे मर के भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल तुझे ही बेचैनियों में आएगा दिल साथी रे मर के भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल तुझे ही बेचैनियों में आएगा दिल मेरे गीतों के साए में तेरी राहतों की खुशबू है तेरे बगैर क्या जीना मेरे रोम रोम में तू है मेरी चूड़ियों की खन खन से तेरी सदाएं होती है ये दूरियां हमेशा ही नजदीक हम बुलाती है ओ पिया
सानिधा निधमा मग सनि धनि सगमा मग सनि धनि सग मग सनि धनि सगमा ग म ग सनि ध मग मदनि सनि ध मग मदनि सा नि धनि स धनि स धनि स धनि स मदनि 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 धनि स धनि स धनि स मदनि 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 स मदनि स मदनि स मदनि स सनि ध म सनि ध म सनि ध म सनि ध म मेरे ढोलना
Best attendance goes to Hasini C. Best all-rounder goes to Jai Krish. Best attendance 6th P. Neeraj. Best all-rounder Roseanne Royal. First place in elocution Dushan. Second place goes to Amulya. Essay writing. First place goes to Raki Kumari. Second place goes to Chandini. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations to all the students and thanks for the parents who have supported them.
Right, it's time for our next piece of entertainment. So we have 6 girls to make chocolate with a dance. Put your hands together for them.
Everybody in the world likes chocolate. We love it. Oh, it makes you happy. Yeah, it gets you sexy. It makes you bad. But we don't care about that. Now, come on. Mama, she said, roly poly. Papa, he said, holy moly. Everybody want a chocolate. All the girls for candy, candy. All the boys get ready, ready. Everybody want a chocolate. Come on. Choco, clap, clap. Choco, clap, clap. Everybody say a chocolate. Here we go. Choco, clap, clap. Choco, clap, clap. Everybody say a chocolate. Chocolate. Choco, chocolate. Choco, chocolate. Here we go. Mama, she said, roly poly. Papa, he said, holy moly. Everybody want a chocolate. All the girls for candy, candy. All the boys get ready, ready. Everybody want a chocolate. Come on. Choco, clap, clap. Choco, clap, clap.
Parents, this is very bad, unfair. You are not at all clapping for your kids. This is not at all fair. See the synchronization, coordination. Appreciate the efforts of the students. Keep clapping.
People on the left hand side now, wave to the people on the right hand side now, wave to the people with a pretty backside. Now we do it all again and we feel alright. A choco, a choco, a choco, a choco, a choco, a choco, a choco. Everybody say a chocolate. Chocolate. A choco, chocolate. Chocolate. A choco, 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 chocolate.
performance. Now, let's welcome our 7th grade girls to perform a tribal dance of China.
That was a wonderful performance. Now we have our class 7 boys to perform the forest dance.
invite High School Coordinator Mr. Venu sir, Mr. Naidu sir, the Principal of Kamanali Branch, Mr. Maruti, the PT Instructor of Bangalore RM Ramurthy Nagar, and none other than our Principal Mrs. Neelima to do the honors. Let's all put our hands together. Basketball winners, Bangalore Ramurthy Nagar Branch. With whistles over there.
Can we make some noise, parents, and encourage the students? Can I hear some whistles from you all? Woo!
Best attendance, Isha.
We just men.
Best all-rounder, Danyashri. Seventh B. Best attendance, Yashwantiha. Elocution. First place goes to Ronisha. Preetika, second place. Essay writing, first place goes to Satvika. Second place goes to Tanushri. Thank you, sir. Now I would like Mr. Naidu, sir, the Principal of Kamanali Branch, to do the honors. Best attendance, Shweta, 8th. Best all-rounder, Vijayendra, 8th A. Eighth B, best attendance, Mamta. Best all-rounder, Shraddha. English elocution. First place goes to Rohan Chakravarti. Second place goes to Shraddha. Essay writing, Sanjana Prasad, first prize. Second place goes to Kirtana, yes. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request our Principal, Mrs. Neelima, to do the honors. Our Principal, Mrs. Neelima. Best attendance, Grishma. Best attendance from 9th A, Grishma. Best all-rounder, Sanjay K. Ninth B, best attendance, Sampurna Ghosh. Best all-rounder, Ayush Roy. Elocution, first place goes to Pratibha Reddy. Second place goes to Varshita. Essay writing, first place goes to Ananya. Second place goes to Darshan. On this occasion, I would like to invite the Kerpuram principal, Mr. Karthik, to be invited by our principal, Mrs. Neelima, with a bouquet. Karthik sir, please do come on the stage. Now, inter-house sports competition. Trishul House first place in basketball girls. Captain Sampurna and the team on the dais. To do the honors, can I request Karthik sir, please? Second place goes to Nag House. Captain Srisha and the team on the dais, please. To do the honors, I welcome Karthik Second place goes to Nag House, Captain Sirisha and the team on the dais. Third place goes to Prithvi House, Captain Kushi and the team to be ready. Third place goes to Prithvi House, Captain Kushi and the team members. Parents, give them a big round of applause. Second place goes to Trishul House. Chandan, the team captain, and the team members. Nag House take the third place. Sharon Raj, the captain, and the team members. I request Katdaspura Principal Mr. Nagaraju to be on the stage to do the honors. Throw ball girls, Prithvi House takes the first place, Himaja the captain and the team. Second place goes to Agni House. Divya 7-3, captain and the team. Third place goes to Nag House, Captain Malati and the team. Now we have basketball boys. First place, Prithvi House. Kushagra, team captain and the team. Agni House second place, Tanmay team captain and the team. Third place goes to Trishul House, Sarvan the captain and the team. Now we have throw ball girls, Nag House, Malati the captain and the team.
Now is the time to ramble our monuments of Andhra and Telangana. Here's our Rangasthalam dance by our 8 boys. Put your hands together for them.
Ranga, Ranga, Rangasthalana. Ranga, Ranga, Rangasthalana. అంట మనమంతా బొమ్మలహు అంట రంగ రంగ రంగస్థలాన ఆట మొదలెట్టాక మధ్యలోని ఆపలేని ఆట బొమ్మలహు అంట మనమంతా తోలు బొమ్మలహు అంట కనపడని సయ్యేదో ఆడిస్తున్నా ఆట బొమ్మల వంట వినపడని పాటకి సిందాడేస్తున్నా తోలు బొమ్మల వంట టుంగురు 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 డుముకో టుంగురు 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 డుముకో టుంగురు 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 అయ్యా మనమంతా తోలు బొమ్మలహు అంట
Let's put your hands together to welcome grade 8 girls to perform Italian dance.
a fusion dance. Put your hands together for them.
Can we have a big round of applause for them?
जय भारत जननीय तनुजाते जय हे कर्नाटक माते जय सुंदर नदी वनಗಳ ನಾಡೆ जय हे रस ಋಷಿಗಳ ಬೀಡೆ ಭಾರತ ಜನनीಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ
ನಾಯಕ ಈ ಬಜರಂಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ ಕಣ್ಣು ಇಡಲೇ ಬೇಡ ಕೌವ ನೋಡೋನಿಗೆ ಜಗ್ಗೋ ಕುಕ್ಕೋ ಆಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಚ ಕರುನಾಡಿಗೆ ಊಳಿನ ಕಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮೀಸೆಗೆ
पता है मैं कौन हूँ? उस्ताद इस्मात शंकर।
बिड़लगु बेफिक्र सड़क सड़क कड़क कर स्टाइल देखो नीचे ऊपर इश इश मार नाम बोले तो गली हड़ल डबल बंदी कर करते नीचे नजर इश मार हैदराबाद शहर चारमीनार चादर घाट अंता नादे इस्मात शंकर குடியிருக்கும் வெறித்தனம் இணைப்பலோ கல்னா நம்ம கெத்தாமல்லாத்தனம் நெஞ்சுக்குள்ள குடியிருக்கும் நம்ம சனம் வெறித்தனம் இணைப்பலோ கல்னா நம்ம கெத்தாமல்லாத்தனம் ஆமா அழுக்கா இருப்போம் கருப்பா களியா இருப்போம் ஒன்னா உசுரா இருப்போம்
Fantastic performance.
ಗೆದ್ದ ಕುಸ್ತಿಯ ಗೆದ್ದ ಎದುರಿಲ್ಲ ಪೈಲ್ವಾನಿಗೆ ಗೆದ್ದ ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆದ್ದ ಎದುರಾದ
ನಾಯಕ ಈ ಬಜರಂಗಿ
ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಇಡಲೇ ಬೇಡ ಕೌವಾತ ಜಂಬಾಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಚ ಕರುನಾಡಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮೀಸೆಗೆ
पता है मैं कौन हूँ शंकर उस्ताद स्मार्ट शंकर
Come on.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
the
parents.
staff, parents, and the students.
Today, my words are not enough to express the gratitude on behalf of our school. I would like to thank our chief guest, Mr. Hiryana, who graced us with his thoughts-provoking to set a perfect platform for our school. I would like to thank our beloved principal, AGM, coordinators of all three wings, and all the principals who attended this function for all words of wisdom that radiated a source of energy within us. We will ever remain grateful to you all. We could not have pulled off the fundraisers without the hard work and dedication of the choreographers who worked from day to make today a reality. Our heartfelt thanks goes out to all our faculties who always stand by us, guide us, lead us, and motivate us. Last but not the least, we thank our parents for the involvement they have shown and the willingness they have expressed to take on the completion of the talent beyond their comfort zones. I thank all the students for showing their intellect in the program. Once again, I thank you very much to all who assembled here. Thanks to one and all.